Hi everyone, this is Rushabh here from WebNode Technologies, and this is our entry for the Open Data Challenge. So we have made a project called we called it Open Data Project. So the premise is that currently there are a lot of data sets that are being published by a lot of government departments, and they are all over the place. But there is no single place where you can view all of them together um, and quickly see what the data is. For example, if you see the current data.gov.in, you can see 10 data sets at a time, and you have to potentially walk through 457 pages to find what kind of data you want. And even if you find something, you have to click through it, and even after waiting such a long time, you still have no idea what the data is. So what we did is we downloaded all the data sets in one place, and we created a list of all the potential data sets that are there currently in data.gov.in. We only took data sets that are less than 300 KB and are either available as XML, as Excel or CSV. So these are all the data sets you can quickly view. Say if you are interested in data sets in Maharashtra, you can quickly view them. And if you click on a data set, then it will show you a quick visualization in one click. It will show you a graph, and it will show you the data. We built a very powerful graphing tool, and I'll just hand over to my colleague Anand who built this.
Hi, I'm Anand. The graphic engine consists of, you can select the chart type. So say, let me show you the bar graph. You can also change the column so that if you just want to show the data for particular years, you can change that. The settings can also be saved. You can also start a discussion on this topic if you find some insight from the data and communicate with other visitors. As you can see, this visualization doesn't make sense. So it seems that the data is not uh, properly arranged. So let's try transposing the data. So as you can see, the transposed data looks as expected. It shows you the correct values, and so as you can see, you can quickly show the data. You can change the data immediately, and it also has an option for pie chart, uh, but the pie chart can only show you one entry at a time. So once selected, you can see that the budget for financial year 9-10 in crores is distributed among these systems, naval systems, missiles, aeronautics, etc. So it gives a quick overview of the distribution of the total budget. I'll hand over to my colleague Prateek, who will explain to you the backend of the system.
Hi, I'm Prateek. So in this project, what we have done is we have organized all these data sets that we got from data.gov.in. Uh, we have organized all these data sets in a framework called WN framework. I'll show you how it looks from the back end. So we have made a model called datasets where we store all the metadata that is required to power these views. So all these fields like URL, name, number of records, etc., are stored as fields, and you can add custom logic to each of these fields. The framework allows you to do that. And we've written a script that goes to data.go.in and collects all the data sets and puts them in a MySQL database, from where this framework carries on and shows you this app. This project is currently live at open data project.in. Thank you.